And then the fourth is to scale up AI computing infrastructure. So it's really awesome that Euro HPC and the AI factories are putting more investment in. We'll need more data centers, of course, more compute, and ideally, this investment will ensure that these facilities are going to be energy efficient to help combat the climate impacts of models. It helps that open models they're not more energy efficient just because they're open, but a lot of the open models that we're seeing do tend to be a little bit more a little bit smaller, a little bit more efficient. And then the fifth is to enhance cross-border and cross-sector collaboration. So fostering partnerships between academia, industry, public entities, and then simplifying some of the administrative process and the just bureaucracy. There's always that is one. Although the EU has many strategic advantages, bureaucracy is perhaps not one of them. But if we can incentivize knowledge sharing and decrease barriers to these partnerships, then that would be wonderful. And then the final recommendation that we make is to launch public awareness and education campaigns just to promote digital literacy around AI in general, but then also especially around open source AI. We hosted a summit on state AI legislation at the Digital Ethics Center recently, and it was great to have. Stakeholders from the government, academia, civil society, but there was definitely a lot of there wasn't sort of a universal understanding of open source technology in general, and then specifically around open source AI and some of the unique ethical and regulatory implications that it carries. So promoting this kind of digital literacy and developing training programs and resources for responsible AI usage, we think is going to be really, really crucial.